Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Day 1 at Munnar. We're all set to explore this beauty. So we have just got ready and had our breakfast and all fueled to explore this beautiful place.
Before we start exploring our first day in Munnar, let us show you a quick glimpse of our stay. So today the plan is to visit Top Station, which is almost 30 kilometers from Munnar. Before we reach Top Station, we want to cover some of the attractions, like there are a couple of viewpoints, there's elephant safari, there are a couple of dams. So once we explore all the locals, we then want to visit the Top Station, because with all the videos that we have seen, see that Top Station sometimes gets foggy and there's not much of view from the top. So that's the reason we wanted to cover all the locals first. But if you want to enjoy the valley views, we would suggest you start your day early and you can reach the Top Station, and then while on your way to Munnar you can explore all these places like the elephant safari, the dam, and then all the viewpoints.
We reached the first photo point. They've also given us binoculars to enjoy the view. So the entry fees is 30 rupees for each person. So we are going to capture the beautiful drone shots. Let's check it out. Wow, so amazing. Well, the view from the binoculars is not that great, but let's check out the view that we've captured.
Our stay is 10 kilometers away from Munnar town because we wanted an offbeat stay. But if you're looking for options that is easy for commute, then you should prefer the Munnar town. You'll have plenty of transportation options here. Also, this is the main hub from where all the touristic destinations start.
So right now we are heading to the elephant safari, and there is a lot of traffic because we started our day a little bit late, around 9:30. Because yesterday was a very tiring day, we had to get some rest, and then we started our day a little late. Now also it is because it's a December season. During Christmas, there's a lot of tourists.
So yesterday's ride was a crazy ride. Do you want to share your experience on that?
So I think from Hosur to Munnar, it's almost 470 kilometers of journey. First 400 was very good. The roads were very good, and then because we took the Dindigul to Theni route, the roads were very good. From Theni, I think the last 80 kilometers of stretch was very hectic, I would say, because it took us almost 3 hours to reach our hotel. And one advice that we would like to share is that if you are coming to Munnar, start off your day very early, maybe around 5:36 in the morning, because by the time you reach Munnar, it will be a little daylight, and then around 5:36 you can reach. And because we reached at 8 o'clock, we couldn't see anything, everything was pitch dark, and we were only running by our car headlight.
In terms of climate, Munnar is really pleasant during winters as the highest temperature is just around 20 to 24 degrees, making it really comfortable for a road trip.
So we came for Elephant Park to enjoy the elephant safari, and also we can feed the elephant. So let's check it out. After taking the ticket, we understood that there's 1.5 hour wait time. So we decided to explore the other spots meanwhile and capture a few photos and drone shots.
So just beside the elephant park, there's a viewpoint here. So we just decided to take some pictures there. So basically have 1.5 hours to kill, and also this is the same way to get to the Madupetty Boating.
so cute.
So this is the car parking, and you'll have to take your ticket there. And this is the waiting area. And after almost an hour of waiting, we are here. This elephant safari costs 700 rupees per person, which lasts for about 10 minutes. Best part about this activity is to feed the elephants. After the elephant safari, we drove for another 20 minutes to reach the Madupetty Dam. Here is a quick glimpse of it. So they have paddle boat and kayaking activities. Paddle boat looked fun for us, so we are going to try that activity now.
I'm just enjoying the breeze.
So this paddle boat, it's 400 per boat, and it is for 2 people.
Yeah, but right now it's only one person.
For the friends, husband and girlfriend.
I really want to know how did people reach there. So you see the people that side who've reached that corner. So we have 2 dams. So in this side you can do kayaking and paddle boat, and the other dam you have big boat and speed boat. Backpedaling is easy. Yeah. We were struggling to do front pedal.
Not much of stress on the legs.
You want each place magnet, huh?
No, I want only Kerala.
Kerala, no? So this we have Kerala here. How about this one? This is nice. See?
Just beside the Madupetty Dam, there are plenty of shops where you can purchase homemade chocolates and Ayurvedic oil. And also, how can we not mention Kerala's popular banana chips, spices and tea powders.
Shall I show you what I like? So I took the famous tea powder that is famous here. And it's famous for its spices. So I've taken few spices. Eucalyptus oil. What I bought from here.
As there were not many restaurants around, we wanted to grab some snacks near the Madupetty Dam.
Much needed fuel. So we're trying out bread omelette. Wow, look at this amazing view.
As we started our day late and due to the crowded elephant safari, we could not cover the top station, but if you have time, you can also cover the Echo Point and Kundala Dam viewpoint, which are very close to Madupetty Dam. On our way back to hotel, there was a lot of traffic jam and we got to know from the locals that it was the first day of Anachal Ayyappa Temple Festival, which is the second most celebrated Ayyappa festival after Shabarimala.
You can also try out this hot air balloon which costs 1800 rupees per person for 1 minute. We honestly felt that it was way too pricey for a 1 minute's flight, and also this is the maximum height the balloon will take you to. We captured this as it was right next to our hotel, and while we were returning back to our hotel, we got to see the festivities right in front of our hotel.
This is amazing.
We ended our day 1 of Munnar with some delicious dinner. Time to get some rest now because we have a very big day coming up the next day. If you like the content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video for more such interesting content. See you in the next one.